Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? In today's video I'll be throwing more light or talking more, giving more information about how you can raise a cattle, and at the end of the year you are going to make a profitable result out of it. How you can raise your cattle and at the end of the year you are going to make a profitable result out of it. Yes, actually I'm not in the farm. I'm at home right now, and I don't have a cattle farm, but I have a goat farm. But for cattle, which is the cow, I don't have them right now. But for whichever person that has interest in the cattle farming and he or she wants to go into cattle rearing, then you can reach out to me. I can go to the market or go to a place where I can get you a right breed of cattle to start with. And you know, cattle, if you start off with a cattle farm, you are going to make a lot of profit from it at the end of the year. Cattle is not like goats. During their marketing period, to sell cattle or to market cattle is very easy, and the price that you are going to sell your cattle, it will be making sense. It's not something that they'll just be pricing it anyhow. And you know, to start up and raise a successful cattle business, then number one thing is you must get a land. You must get a land. That is the most important thing. Get a land, fence the land around with a barbed wire or a net or any other thing that you know, or you can do fence like the concrete, use a block to fence that particular land round. The reason why you are fencing that land round is to secure the animal that you want to put inside that place. That is number one. Then the second thing is not to allow them to roam about for food by themselves. Like you are keeping them in one place for you to feed them. That is called intensive raising of the cattle. So you must fence that particular land round in order for your cattle not to escape, or in order for thief not to break in and took your cattle from you. So you must fence that particular land round and you'll be feeding them. The second important skill that you must put into consideration is also the feeding expenses. You know, cattle eat a lot. Keeping them in one place simply means you are going to feed them from morning, afternoon, and evening. So you are going to feed them a lot. But at the end of it, I'm assuring you that there's profit to be made from cattle if only you can put all those things into consideration. Number one is to get a land. Number two is to fence that particular land round. Then number three, buy a varieties of cattle to rear. Buy a very good breed to rear. Is either you're using it for reproduction sake, or you are just keeping them for a certain year or month before you sold them out and get another new one. So the varieties of cattle that you rear matters a lot also. Then number four, their feeding expenses. You must be on like you must budget the money for their feeding. You must be buoyant enough. Get your money, then go into this cattle business, and you discover that at the end of the day, you are going to make more money. At the end of the year, you are going to make pure profit from the cattle business. It's a very easy thing. You don't need to build much house for them. Cattle, they are not like goats. They can stay under the rain, they can stay under the sun, but I think being, if it was to be goats now, they can't stay under the rain. You need to build a shelter for them. But for cattle, you don't need a lot of shelters. You can just build a little place for them, just in case if they don't want to stay under the rain, they can just come in and hide. And also the place that they will be eating their feed, the place that you put their feeding truck, you must just construct a little shade for them and you give them. And the current price of cattle right now, they are 90,000 to 100,000 naira. There are some ones that are lower than that, but they'll be very small. And if you keep that particular cattle for a very long time, for like 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, you discover that your cattle will the profit they're going to get on top of the cattle, it will be very, very okay, it's very good. So what are you waiting for? Why don't you dive into cattle business and start raising cattle? A lot of us doesn't like going into it because we think that they are stressful and we can't manage the farm. But I'm telling you guys today, it's a very simple thing for you to do. You can manage your cattle. Your cattle can withstand diseases. They are not like some other livestock that can die easily. So it's a very important business that you can do. You can have that cattle farm, and at the same time you are running your office business or running the markets that you have or running another business that you are doing. You can still manage the both together. So it's very important for us to go into it because it's a lucrative thing and it's a profitable business that a lot of people are going into it right now. So invest your money into cattle business and start making a huge profit out of it. So please, if you want to learn more on it, you can message me on WhatsApp, because at the end of this video I'll be dropping my contact list. Those cattle, I mean the first video I guys saw before I started my speech, were the cattle that went to the market to go and ask about the price for someone. Those are the current price that went to the market to go and ask about it. And you can see in that particular market they have a lot of cattle there, a lot of different breed that you can get for your choice. Anyone that you want, you can just get that particular cattle and start raising them. And at the end of the year, you sold them out and you make a profit result out of it. So please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Adulta Farm. Here in our YouTube channel, we gave you guys different opportunities in agriculture that you can use to make pure profit, that you can use to make more money out of it. And at the same time, you can be feeding from there and you'll be selling some product out of it also. So here we are here to encourage you guys and we're here to guide you guys that agriculture is a very important thing that you can't do about. So invest the money into agriculture and start making something big out of it. So please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new content like this for you. Like this video and give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.